guys, today we are learning Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. So the original version is in a capo on the second fret, but for easy version we are learning without a capo. So the intro part is play in plugging version like this. Then in the chorus, they use D major, like driving. The word driving, he used D chord. So I remember when we driving. Now driving in your car, he used A major. Driving in your car. Now F sharp minor. Speed so fast, feel like I was drunk. Now E major, feel like I was drunk. Now D major. City lights lay out before us, A major. Now and your arm again, F sharp minor, and your arm fair nice wrap. Now E major round my shoulder, and in the chorus D major and F sharp minor. I had now the word feeling, he used E major, feeling that I belong, and again D major and F sharp minor in the chorus. I had a feeling, E major in the feeling, in the word feeling, had feeling that I now D major in the word could be someone, it could be someone. Now the last be someone, he used E major to be someone. So guys, that's all. This is the easy version of Fast Car. So if it will help you, then please do subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.